Hey everyone, Ryan from Frameship here. And in this video, I want to walk you through what it means to migrate from Frameship 1.0 to Frameship 2.0. So firstly, this is for just existing customers before this major upgrade. Now, if you are on 1.0 and don't want to actually update the components on your store for the compatibility of Frameship 2.0, you don't have to. However, I will flag everything will still work, but after December 19th, 2025, we're no longer going to provide support for 1.0 components and 1.0 stores. So everything should still work. You should still be able to sync your site. However, you can't use 2.0 functionality like our brand new components with 1.0 functionality. They're just not compatible with one another. So if you do want any of the new features, which I highly recommend you will want them, then I highly recommend you actually switch to 2.0. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest way to do that. So here we have a Framer site and my store is set up and I'm using 1.0 components. Now, when I open the Frameship plugin again, you will notice we get this banner at the top of our plugin, which says detected 1.0 components. This essentially means that it's flagged that we still have 1.0 components inside our project. Now I can click on view components and it will flag all the components that are actually included from 1.0 on my site. And then all I need to do is just click on insert 2.0 to replace these. So for example, if I want to add the price one here, I'll just click on insert 2.0 and you'll notice that it will add that new component in my spot here. And then all I need to do is go back through and set up my controls here. Now, unfortunately, controls will not be copied across. So for example, your styling will be wiped when it actually imports into Framer. Unfortunately, it's just a Framer limitation. I know it sucks, I get it. But I think the benefit of switching to 2.0 is you'll get all the new features for the rest of the time as well. And you don't have to worry about this happening again in the future because we've made some significant upgrades to how Frameship actually works in terms of infrastructure and in terms of the backend. So I just spend a little bit of time inserting all the missing components so you're fully up to date on Frameship 2.0 so you can get all the exciting things that are now available and all the exciting things that are coming to Frameship 2.0 as well. Happy building.